All right, let's pull up Tastyworks, the NASDAQ. You know what they say, if the NASDAQ is a rockin', don't come a knockin'. If Ethereum is a knockin', don't come a rockin'. If Bitcoin is a rockin', no, you know what's really rockin'? Go, 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 go. Like, subscribe, bell button. ADA, boy, that ADA is pumping. I got some FOMO. I'm looking to buy some more ADA. What do you think? I don't know. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is going on here? All right. I thought my OBS was having a problem. I didn't know if I was going to be able to switch it over to the other screen. Anyway, here we go. Let's take a look. The NASDAQ up 107 points. This is getting out of hand, boys and girls. Are we going to have a blow off top here? I don't know. Is the blow off top market crash coming? Some say yes, some say no. I'm unsure. I'm leaning towards there at least being some kind of correction. I got a frog in my throat, boys and girls. Got to wash it down with some hot coffee. All right, look at this. What do we got? What do we got? The NASDAQ March lows all the way to the March. This is the QQQ. This is the ETF of the NASDAQ. I mean, the chart doesn't look that bad. Doesn't look too crazy. Let's go back a few years, see what we got. I mean, that's a pretty steep. Let's go 10 years. See if we can get that 2008 March crash in here. Let's see where we are. So, no, that's 2020. What's going on here? Need to scrunch that in somehow. Daily, go to the monthly. I don't know if we can get that in here. Looking at the monthly chart, that's a pretty steep incline there. That's a little bit of a parabolicness. It won't take too much for maybe to get a blow off top. I think it's possible. As I've mentioned, I've definitely lightened up my load in the stock market. We've definitely gone heavy into the cryptos. So good news, Tastyworks is finally launching their coin exchange, and some bad news to go with that. They're doing a demo today. I'm actually pretty excited about it. The bad news is they're not, a couple pieces of bad news. It's not going live until after market close tomorrow. So if we're lucky, everything will be at all-time highs. And you can only trade it in one account due to anti-money laundering. Now I have to decide which account I want to enable it on. I'm leaning towards my small account because I really, as we sit right now, I'm really looking towards focusing on my small account and showing that you can grow a small account. Again, I started this at the beginning of October with only $2,500. It's now currently sitting at, I want to say, over $6,000 right now, and all I've done is added $250 a month. I do need to add the $250 for this month, but this account is seeing pretty good growth, and I think we can grow that more with crypto. It's not that big a deal if I don't trade crypto on my big account, I guess. I can still get exposure with the Maras and the riots. And as it is, this thing is like 80-90% Tesla anyway, and I'm still going to be trading some options in here and still trying to get a little bit of passive income, but we got to focus on the crypto market in 2021 because I think that's where all the money's at. So that's where I'm going to be at. So speaking of crypto, let's take a look at the go. Bitcoin is up pretty nice. Bitcoin had a nice little pump overnight. I don't really know what's going on in crypto to cause all this pumping. Maybe it's Cryptos RS exposed the F2 pool a couple days ago, and then a bunch of other YouTubers have piled on. You know, actually what I've kind of been annoyed by, like, I've only been in the crypto market pretty heavily for a few months now, but it was like half my stream recommended was a bunch of people saying alt season is here. I'm like, come on guys, really, you're calling alt season already? I think we're a little early on that one. So if the thumbnail wasn't, oh man, I gotta tell you, I'm gonna go off the rails on just how much YouTube annoys me. I did try and make a video on Sunday I got like halfway through making the video and I said, man, I hate myself for this video. I don't know. Eventually, maybe I'll get back into it. I do enjoy the live streaming a bunch more. Unfortunately, the live streaming has been negative on the old subscription rate. But as I said, I really don't care too much about the subscription rate. I will be retired soon because I will be a cryptocurrency multimillionaire. So with any luck, maybe we have 10, 20, 30 people in the chat in a few years when I'm a multimillionaire. And maybe I come on, maybe I don't. You know, I'll be sipping margaritas. I'm already shopping for houses in Puerto Rico, because in Puerto Rico, you don't pay any capital gains tax. You only have to live there 183 days out of the year. If I'm being honest with myself, I don't know if I really have the toughness to live in Puerto Rico, so that bothers me some. So maybe I'm just gonna have to do my patriotic duty and pay my taxes. The hardest part for me is going to be food in Puerto Rico. I guess if I can find the right meals to eat, because I'm pretty picky, gluten-free, vegetarian. Hey, look, I know some of you out there are gonna call me a sissy, but I do have celiac, and you might have me on the meat thing, but what are you gonna do, right? Ooh, that was a test from Hayne right there. All right, anyway, Bitcoin has had a nice push. Looks strong, although the volume looks decent. We'll have to see how this continues. We do have this trend line channel right here that it could break above, so this triangle. I do have this line right here. I do have this long-term trend line right here. I think I lost all my trend lines, so I'm not sure if where I had this before. I think it was more like that. More like, let's see what makes most sense here. Maybe something like that. We're still kind of, yeah, I think that looks, yeah, I've had some flushes below. Oh, I lost my 20 and my 50 too. I gotta add those back in. Come on. So I was trying to fix my, you guys don't care, but I'm trying to fix my YubiKey for Kraken. I don't know what the hell happened there. Still works everywhere else, and their support, it's like talking to, it just has not been a fun experience. All right, so the stock market has been open for 4 minutes. Tesla is only up about $6. The NASDAQ is up 132 points. That is another really strong day. Silver and GameStop, they're getting their ass handed back to them. This is kind of what I expected. I haven't really talked about this a lot. Hopefully a lot of you guys didn't get wrecked out there. You got your XRPs too. XRP was definitely a huge pump and dump. And we can pull that up. I mean, there were Telegram groups and everything talking about how we're gonna pump it. Unfortunately, it probably, they said they were going to take it to $1. Unfortunately, a lot of people probably were even buying that FOMO and into it at 60 and 70 cents. Probably got your face melted. I don't know that you're going to be able to get anything out of XRP until the SEC thing is, I don't know which one is the best one to look at. Until the SEC thing's figured out. I mean, look at that. That is ugly. Pump it up. Ooh, boom. Let's look at GME. I think that one's pretty bad too. That is ugly. We're definitely seeing that gap get filled, aren't we? Yeah, it'll be interesting. Are they going to be able to pump this? Are the diamond hands? Are they diamond hands? Are they diamond the JJs? You know what I'm saying? Hey, I kid, Wall Street Bets. Don't come after me. It's an amazing thing what you guys did. I really don't think you guys had anything to do with silver. I think that was a fake out by the big boys. A little bit of botting in Wall Street Bets, getting a bunch of people, unfortunately, getting a bunch of retailers FOMOing into silver. Silver is a very big product. It's down over $2 today. You know, hopefully we can get some. We need this stuff to calm down, because adding a lot of chaos into the markets isn't going to help the situation very much. I get the message. I get what you're trying to do. Unfortunately, I mean, when you're going up against these big boys, eventually, you know, that's a war. That's a tough war to get into, and a lot of retailers are going to get wrecked when they get in the crosshairs of these wars. Anyway, so I would strongly recommend, unless you have a bunch of FU money, not to get caught up into any more of these wars. If you're like, I don't know, if you were part of the GameStop cause and you threw one share at it and you're like, whatever, I'll buy this at 300, 400, 500, one share. I don't care if I lose this money. I mean, sure, that's fine. But I mean, if you put a lot of money into that and you didn't take profits and you needed that money, I don't know if that's a cause worth fighting for. Anyway, that's my opinion on the matter. I did buy 5 shares just to say I was part of the story, you know, but I took my profits on them and I tapped out. I definitely didn't get involved in the XRP. I don't even know how the hell that pumps so easily. XRP is hard as hell to buy. What else? So the silver, again, like I said, I had some silver options on. It helped me get out of that. I'm actually fairly, I don't know, I'm torn. I'm fairly bullish gold and silver, just because, you know, the charts and the market cycle say to be bullish it, but at the same time, how much is crypto eating into that? I'm definitely the most bullish on crypto. I'm hoping we're starting to see another surge into the bull rally. It's looking pretty good. We need Bitcoin. We kind of need Bitcoin, I think, staying above about, what do we got here? Around 33, 34,000 is a positive sign. Let's see if we got, yeah, right about here, right about 34,200. 34,200 to 34,500. I think staying above that is extremely bullish. So let's see if we can close above, let's say 34,500 today and continue on this upward trajectory. Let's see. I think we are going to get a nice little push. I don't know if it's going to be another week or two. You know, the potential for another quick flush is there too, but I was heavily leaning towards a quick flush, and then a moon rocket, but now I'm kind of reversing course on that, and I'm thinking this might be it right here. You can see on Ethereum we have a really good push too. We're above this resistance of around 1400, right around the 1400 handle. We pushed up on these all-time highs, and we pushed through the all-time highs a couple times already, and we have not been able to hold it. This might be, if this pushes today, today might be the moon rocket in Ethereum. If we can get a good push today, tomorrow, we got the Michael Saylor conference starting tomorrow. It'll be interesting to see what happens there. Elon did post on Twitter that he's going dark. That's a bit of a bummer. Would be nice to have him say something. Why is he going dark? Is he going to the Michael Saylor conference? Anyone know? Anyone got a tip on that? ADA is the one I'm extremely happy about. I have a huge bag of ADA. Huge bag of ADA. I'm extremely bullish ADA. I love ADA. I love Charles Hoskinson. Charles for President 2024 IMO. I love that guy. Let's rock on. Is anyone, so I know like Polkadot, I've been starting to do some research on this. So one of the big problems is like Ethereum gas fees, especially with like Uniswap. I haven't done any decentralized trading yet. I do want to start doing some of that. I do want to start picking up some small bags of altcoins that I think are going to do really well. I did pick up some GRT yesterday and some Elron Gold. No, I take that back. So I picked up some Mana over the weekend, just a couple $150, like $250. I think I picked up $300 of GRT, because you can buy that on Coinbase. I am extremely bullish GRT. And I do want to buy Elrond Gold. I just haven't yet because right now the only place you can buy that on that I know of easily is Binance. So I haven't done that yet because I can only put $5,000 a day into Binance. And because I took all my money out of Robinhood, I prefer, like, I'm trying to get that money back into crypto, but I'm doing it through Binance for the most part, just kind of dollar cost averaging it back in. Because Binance has the best fees, hands down. Like, I could buy, so when I buy like $5,000 of Bitcoin, I think it costs about 25 bucks. If I were to do that over at, you know, I'm not sure. I need to double check that, but I'm pretty sure it's more over at Coinbase. Unfortunately, the Bitcoin and the Ethereum have higher fees when you buy them, so that's kind of annoying. But I am looking to pick up some Elrond Gold. I might pick some of that up pretty shortly. What are some other ones? I want to pick up some more VeChain. I got a pretty decent VeChain bag. I think VeChain is going to be really nice. I might really push my VeChain holdings and get that closer to 100,000. I don't think $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 is out of the question on VeChain. I really like that project. I do want to get some Polkastarter too. This graph is wrong. I need to update this. I got more. I want to get some Theta. Man, I really have the FOMO. It's already like, I think Uniswap's still going to go up a lot, but I have a hard time buying it right now. If that does have any kind of a correction, I might buy me a nice bit of Uniswap. I am pretty bullish on Uniswap. Any of these decentralized exchanges. That's why I do want to get some Polkastarter. I love Polkadot. So it's my understanding that Polkaswap is going to be similar to Uniswap. And I'm curious if Cardano is going to have anything similar. Because I think there is going to be a huge market and opportunity when it comes to having some coins in what is going to be some decentralized exchanges similar to Uniswap. I also like Voyager a lot. I don't know, like, is Voyager going to be similar to Robinhood? I believe you can buy stocks and crypto on Voyager. I haven't used it yet. I had meant to sign up, but I've only got so much time in the day, and I think they're so overloaded with signups right now that they've stopped doing signups. So decentralize the way I'd be the first to join a protocol built for cross-chain token pools and auctions, enabling projects to raise capital. So I believe, I'm not sure, I need to do some more. Is this going to be like where you can buy and sell? I'm also very bullish on 1inch for the same thing because apparently it has the best way. Like if you want to buy and sell coins, it's kind of like it'll find the cheapest place for you to get it. So I want to check this out, try this out too. I do want to buy some 1inch, but 1inch is early and it is already kind of expensive, I guess. I don't know where it's going to go. I mean, is it going to have a correction? Is it going to have, you receive, let's see what happens. Yeah, I want to check this out. I'll probably start doing a bit more of this stuff. I haven't sent anything. I'm not sure if you can connect your Coinbase wallets to this. I haven't sent any money to my Coinbase wallet or my MetaMask wallet yet, so it'll be an interesting thing. I do want to start sprinkling a little bit of moolah to some altcoins that I think are going to do really well. I already have quite a lot of Ethereum and Bitcoin. I'm expecting Ethereum to blast off to a 2x from its all-time highs very soon. When that happens, I will probably take some of my Ethereum off the board and then start putting it into some altcoins. I can't imagine I am in so much love with Cardano that I wouldn't mind buying some more of this. So Cardano, 44 cents, man. Why is this showing red? Oh, because I'm on the 1 hour. And then I'm also very bullish Polkadot. I want to add to my Polkadot bag. So I'll probably buy some more Polkadot. I am staking all that over on Kraken. Kraken and Binance.us are probably my two favorite exchanges, though there are good reasons to have Coinbase. Coinbase has the cold wallet that's really cool. Coinbase has, once you deposit $100 in crypto, please use my links for them all down below. But once you deposit $100 of crypto, if you use my referral link, I believe you get $10 in Bitcoin. And they also have a really cool learning program where you can watch videos and earn crypto. Really easy. The videos are actually pretty cool. Fax McGee, Nostradamus. What is happening? What is happening, Fax? How you doing this morning, man? What is your bag in? Is it in crypto? Is it in stocks? Is it in both? Anyway, on the Coinbase, yeah, man, you just watch the videos and you get free crypto. I got free XMLM Stellar. I got free Graph. I got free, I forget. I think I got some Avi. It was about $100 worth in crypto, and it's free. It's easy. You learn about the crypto, and they continue to add more. I just recently watched some videos on some other crypto, and it's really cool. Excuse me. Another really good thing about Coinbase is if you're a baller shot caller, which I'm not saying I am, but I'm not. You know, there's times when I want to move more than $5,000 into the markets. And right now, Binance has me limited at $5,000. So I don't know if that's something I can change with them. But Coinbase, $25,000, man. Gemini was the same thing, $5,000. BlockFi, $5,000. Kraken is really difficult. You have to do a wire transfer. I don't know why they don't allow ACH transfers. One thing I like about Kraken, though, and I haven't done it yet, and I'm probably mistakenly going to figure this out and start losing Satoshis, is you can leverage trade in Kraken. Both. Good to hear. What is your favorite cryptocurrency? What are you in big? What do you think about Cardano? You got any of that Cardano? I think that's the one that's quickly becoming my favorite. I also like Polkadot a lot too. How's the old GameStop? 52% down today. Those diamond hands, they need to rally the troops over there. They're not holding the line very well. So I do, like I said, Tastyworks is bringing out their coin exchange tomorrow. I can only enable it on one account. I can't trade it in the IRA, which is a bit of a bummer. So I'm probably going to enable crypto in my small account. Again, I want to focus on really growing this small account just to show it can be done. ETH and KNC. ETH and KNC are fixed. I agree with you on ETH. I don't even know what the hell KNC is. Let's see what KNC is. Do I need to buy some KNC? KNC in the place to be. Rocking to the beat so viciously. You didn't know I was a rapper, did you? Oh, next. Yeah, I remember that. Are they on the, is that someone that's going to be on the NASDAQ, right? You know what? I kind of let you down. I haven't had a chance to look into that yet, but man, when I get off this stream, it's just, I enter into hell of just like fixing a bunch of servers and routers and switches. What am I looking for? KNC? KNC's what is KNC? And Kraken. ANC. $1.40. $1.40. What is this? KNC. KNC crypto. Where can you buy this? Kyber price. What the hell is Kyber? Kyber network price chart. Coinbase. What is Kyber network? Kraken. Where can you buy this? Coin. What is that? CoinGecko. CoinGecko. Why is this not in direct mode? Like, subscribe, bell button. KNC. Number 96. Up 10.4%. Where can you buy this? Maybe I'll buy some of this. I have a bad habit. If someone comes on the chat, tells me something's a buy, I go off and buy it. I never said I was smart. I have told you that I'm a degenerate, reckless gambler. I thought there was a place on here that showed you. All right, so Binance. I don't know if you can buy this on Binance.us. Maybe I have to go get me some KNC. Maybe this will be my first foray into like 1inch or Uniswap. But I was trying to figure out, so I'm pretty sure Polka Starter is going to be like an exchange. Decentralized, subscribe to PokerStarter. I want to know, like, is this where you can come and buy and sell? I mean, this looks kind of confusing, to be honest. Pools. Yeah, I need to look more into PokerStarter. View all pools. Oh, maybe this is just how you pool your money. So what is PokerStarter supposed to be? I need to look more into that. Yeah, and here's the 1 inch. What is this? Eat the die? No. I saw 1 inch is a token I want to buy too. I might have to pick up some 1 inch this weekend. I don't know. I'm kind of lazy. Kraken. You can buy KNC on the Kraken. Let me see. Well, why are you so hyped on KNC? What am I missing? What do I need to know about the KNC? KNC, I'm taking a look at Kraken right now. ETH up a few more dollars. Bitcoin pushing on 35,000. Let's go, baby. 88. How do you not have any 88 Cardano? Why are you hating on Cardano, man? Cardano at 30%. I'm not saying buy it now. I'm not into that pump, but I'm not sure if it's going to come back down to below 40 cents. It's possible, though. KNC. Cycoin, Monero, I like Algorand, Tron, no thank you. Nano, SNX, yeah, I kind of yearn. Kusama, yep, love me some Kusana. Too expensive though. Kyber Network, there we go. All right. I have to put Kyber Network. So no news on the any day though on the NextF, huh? What is NextF again? I'm bad, man. I think I have Alzheimer's. I'm kidding, but next. Oh yeah, AR. Yeah. No, I like this. I'm gonna definitely put this. At least do some options play. Hopefully they have options. Hopefully it's liquid. I'll buy a few shares of this, probably in the small account to have it on my radar. But I'm not doing it till it's on the Nasdaq. Kraken. We got what is up with the KNC? Kyber, CoinDesk, Kyber, Twitter. I'm not following you. Maybe we need to fix that. Follow, done. Fully on-chain liquidity protocol for seamless tokens. Oh, it's going to be a swap. News today. Oh, Microsoft's going to be a partner with them. Is it? Should I buy it now? Do I got any ETH over in Kraken? Let me figure this out. Maybe I buy some Kyber right now. Let me pull up the Kraken. Release the Kraken. This is what happens, folks. People come into my channel, tell me to buy something, and I can't refuse. I can't refuse. All right, let's see what we got. We got to get logged into the old Kraken. Release the Kraken. Can you see what I'm typing here, boys and girls? I don't want you hacking my account. All right. What do I got over here? I think we got a little ETH. Maybe, oh man. So the only thing I got over in Kraken is Polkadot and Ethereum. I'm somewhat remiss to trade any of my ETH right now because I am 100% convinced it's going to 2,500 to 3,000 quickly. But if KNC goes with that, KNC, Kyber Network. So what do they got going on with Microsoft? Hey, Shalaria, how you doing? Good morning. Welcome to the channel. You're a new face. What are you in here for? Are you in here for the crypto? Are you in here for the stocks? What are your bags in? Your bags in stocks, your bags in crypto, your bags in both? Most of us over here, we got it in both. You know what I'm saying? What is your favorite crypto? Fax McGee's telling me to buy some KNC, so I'm checking that out right now. Might have to pick some of that up. Something going on with Microsoft maybe. So what is KNC? Is it going to be like Uniswap? Is it a swap protocol? I'm not going to buy any right now, Fax, but I'm definitely going to check that out later today. I might buy some. because the market is pumping, I've mentioned that I've completely liquidated Robinhood. I bounced out of Robinhood. I ended up buying Bitcoin, biopharma. Oh man, you're messing with fire over there. You got some cojones over there. That's a great place to get wrecked. What is SCNS? Is that a biopharm stock? I am not familiar with that one. Is that a stock? Is that a crypto? OBSF? Are we over here pumping some penny stocks? Onyx Holdings. I've never heard of that one. It's got. Are you gonna $2.78? What's going on in SCNS? Man, you just throwing all kinds of crazy tickers at me. All right, so I've done biotech stocks in the past, and those are extremely risky. They got some FDA approvals on the horizon. You into these cheap biopharm stocks, man. If you hit it big on one of these, or if you don't get wrecked, Godspeed on these. Eventually start moving on and out of these. I mean, if it works for you, then good for you. I'm surprised any of these are even on the NASDAQ. So Vine, there. What do any of these got going on? What's the deal? What's the real deal, Holyfield? This Vine has no liquidity. Oh, look at this, man. What the hell? Well, I mean, what's going on over here? This thing has gone from 40 down to 258. That's a big fat no thank you. Yeah, I'm definitely hyped on NextDF. We need that thing to hit the NASDAQ, my brother. This OBSF, what is going on? Shalaria? You over here pumping dumping on us? $18 down to $2.97. That's a big fat no thank you. That does have 4-star liquidity. Does have options. The bid ask on those are no thank you. Sends, is this another one? What do we got here? Man, these are some ugly ass charts. What? Now this one's pumping. Why is this one pumping a little bit? This one looks more, this looks the most interesting, but I don't know anything about these stocks. Typically, I don't trade. Oh, you hit it big on Vine? Good. I mean, look, if you're doing good, how long have you been in the market? Because I've been there. I've been there with biotech stocks. I remember the early days. It was probably around 2009. I was trading things. What was it? Heb was a big one. There was a few others. I can't remember offhand. Yeah, how long have you been in the market? So I was crushing Heb. This was back when Yahoo Forums was just so bad. Pump and dump. I was up like $10,000, $20,000 in Heb, and I was trading a few others like HGSI, I think was one of them. Dude, I thought it didn't stink. I was the world's greatest trader, and then I started making more mistakes, like going on margin and etc. I mean, those bio stocks, if you're not careful, they will wreck you. They will wreck you. Eventually, hopefully, stick around. Start learning some options with me. We're looking at, this is my small account right here. It's up $860 for the year. I started this with $2,500 October 1, 2020. Trading a lot of options, trading some stock. Had a really good 3 months with like Neo and Xpeng, and doing really well with like Mara and Riot, some minor stocks. Made a lot of money in Tesla on this just by trading options, and we're going to build this up. Again, they're adding crypto to this platform tomorrow. I'm going to start trading some crypto on this account. We're going to see how quickly we can get this to 10,000, 20,000. My goal right now is to get this account to 20,000 within 1 year. Start from 2,500 to 25,000 by this October. With cryptocurrency, I think it's doable. I do add $250 a month to this account. So I do need to add the $250 for February. So that will put this account at $3,500 of money that I put in. The rest is profits. Again, this account is over $7,000 right now. Stick around. You don't have to do it with Risky biotech, but man, if it's working for you, good luck. 7 market analysts have OBSF at $11 for 52 weeks. Yeah, I gotta tell you, man, those just aren't my kind of stocks. If I'm gonna risk my money, I'm gonna risk it on crypto right now. I haven't been trading very long. Oh yeah. Just watch your size. I don't know what your financial situation's like. Don't trade more than you can afford to lose. Trust me, I've been there. I've been there with biotech stocks. And I mean, you hit one, you think you're the world's greatest trader. Just be careful. Don't continue. Like if you hit one big, don't continue. I mean, maybe you have a lucky string of success, but these biotech stocks, they're a rough game. And the cheap stocks, these really cheap stocks, it's a really tough game, man. So just kind of keep it small. I would urge you to start learning cryptocurrency too. I was pretty ignorant to cryptocurrency until about 2-3 months ago. I like investing in small cap growth. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm the opposite. I liked it early on. I make you much better. Like, I don't mind putting 5%, 10% of your capital up 320. I mean, biotechs can do that to you, but here's the deal. When you can make a lot of money fast, you can just quickly lose it. So just be careful. Be careful. That's all I'm saying. If you're having success now, start protecting your gains, because quite often your biggest losses come after your biggest gains, and I'm trying to prevent that myself. I had an amazing end of 2020 and a very great beginning to 2021, mostly due to Bitcoin and Tesla. I mean, I've been accumulating the hell out of Tesla since it was around $1,500 pre-split. I thought it was overvalued. I did my research. I'm like, man, this stock is like, what they're doing is amazing. It is undervalued in the long term. I started buying it and I made a ton of money off of it. Tesla's around 800. I'm just going to guess around 800 billion market cap now. I think it's going to multi-trillions. I don't know if you're in Robinhood, if you can do partial shares or if you can buy a share of that. CRBC 90% gap down after it. Yeah, man, that's one of the problems with these phase twos. They'll pump. That's a big problem. Like they'll pump into an FDA approval, and then even if they get approval, it depends. Sometimes they could fall after that. If they don't get approval or if some bad news comes out, you can get squashed on it. A lot of times, you got to really be careful, especially if they're on the NASDAQ. It's a little bit better that they're on the NASDAQ. If they're over the counter, definitely stay away from them. But you got to be careful. I know it's very alluring, especially if you don't have a lot of money, because you think, oh wow, this is a $2 or $3 stock. This can easily 10x and 100x, which is true, but it's much more riskier. Just look into some people for stream stock so I can chat with them and learn. Oh, you found the right channel. Be sure to hit the like. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. I try and stream every day. I'm trying to grow the channel. I'm not looking to be famous. I'm looking to get rich in crypto right now. But I can definitely give you a lot of advice, especially start learning. Build your account up. Man, the problem is the stock market's a hard knock university. So most people are going to blow their accounts out. It's just one of those things that you're going to live. Hopefully you're young. Continue to grind. Watch your expenses. Continue to invest in the stock market. I would look personally to limit there's nothing wrong with betting on some small cap stocks. Biopharm, man, that's a tough game. If you want to, but just move it to a smaller portion, like 5%, 10%. If you want to get really risky, like 25, 30%. Start putting more of it into things that you might like more long term. There are some decent SPACs out there that are pretty cheap that you can get into, like IPOB. I think that's Chamath Palihapitiya's SoFi Robinhood competitor. That one will probably do really good. I do like Tattooed Chef. I do have some Tattooed Chef. There's GNOG. I do like GNOG. I'm not in that one right now. That one's kind of been of a disappointment, but I think that one eventually is going to do really well. You're worried about price quite often, though. I mean, you buy one share, you could buy one share of Tesla, and Tesla could easily double. So I mean, there's still don't get too caught up on the price of a stock. And if you're in Robinhood, you don't have to buy a full share. You can, although I'm not really a big fan of Robinhood. I don't remember if I've taken that link out of my bio. I have taken Webull out of my bio. I don't hate Webull like I hate Robinhood, but I just don't like Webull's platform. It's too complicated for, you know, I mean, if you want to be like an iPhone or an Android trader, unfortunately, Robinhood's really good for that. I do think Tastyworks is the best trading platform out there, and they are slowly adding crypto. They're adding that tomorrow, but you can only buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, the small ones similar to probably like what PayPal has. You can't take custody of it. You can only trade it in one account, which is a bummer. Tastyworks also has a small exchange, which is something I would urge people to start educating themselves on, because you can trade things like 10-year, the dollar, very, very, very small futures, very, very capital efficient, just like options, very capital efficient. I like to keep my 20K, I got that off Bungo, OGN, Vine recently. Yeah, I mean, again, it's working for you. Best of luck, but be careful, man. These stock market conditions have been very conducive to a lot of trading that historically hasn't worked, because everything's going up. And I personally am fearful of a decent sized market correction. I would just look at your portfolio, and if everything's high risk, high growth, yeah, you want to scale that back. Honestly, all right, so look, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. The stock market is a big boy. Put your big boy pants on. You are trading with real money. It's a hard knock university. It's a tough game. I don't want to tell you to do something and then you miss out on some big bag because I gave you good advice, but that good advice happened to be wrong. I'm just saying, like, I've been there. I've had great success in biotech stocks. You probably feel like you're invincible. I've been there. I mean, quite frankly, I'm there again right now because I've had such an amazing run, but I'm trying to stay humble because this market can humble you quick. And the lesson I'm trying to tell you is if you can make 20 grand in, say you made 20 grand in 3 months, if you can continue to trade like that, you could just easily lose that, if not more. One piece of advice I will tell you is do not start trading on margin. Do not get tricked into doing that. Especially the way this 2021 could end up. I mean, it could turn on a dime. There's a lot of people out there that'll tell you that this stock market is going to continue to rocket to the moon for several years. It has the potential to do that, but me personally, I'm being much more cautious. I'm ready to put my finger on the trigger to short the NASDAQ, to hedge my position, because I do have a lot of long deltas in this market, and a lot of that is riding on Tesla, but Tesla's done me well. Tesla's the only stock, well, not the only, but it's the one stock. I'm betting on Elon, just like when it comes to cryptocurrency, I'm betting on Charles Hoskinson. I think ADA is going to be amazing. I have a lot of money in ADA. I'm betting on Vitalik Buterin. I love that guy. I'm betting on him. I'm betting on Ethereum. And I'm also betting on Bitcoin because, I mean, it's the OG original. It is going to be a store of value. Me personally, again, start educating yourself on cryptocurrency and DeFi. It is the future, and it is early adoption still. There is a lot of money to be made there. I'm splitting my money up in both, but I'm moving more and more money into crypto. What would you look for when you're trying to be safe stock then? Well, you got your blue chips. There's nothing safe, but you got your blue chips, like your top 10 stocks, Apple, Tesla, Google. I do have an M1 link down below. Check that out. And there's a link to my ETTF. There's 15 stocks, I think about 15, 16 stocks in there. M1's a really good place to trade if you're new. is it'll prevent you from panic selling, but it has a lot of the stocks that I really like in there, and I do grow that with. Currently I had like $25 a month into it. I used to do more, but I want that money for crypto right now. But those have a lot of stocks in there. There are some that are a little bit more riskier in there, like XPR and Space. But there's some ones in there that I really, really like. PayPal, Square. I think I did a video beginning of the year, the trades of the decade, and I do believe those are going to be Square, Tesla, and Bitcoin. But I can easily add to that. I think further adding to that, I would add PayPal, I would add Ethereum, I would add Cardano. The last two are cryptocurrencies. And I also would probably add Polkadot, and that's where the focus of all my money is going right now. I don't have a lot of money. I don't know that I have any money in PayPal other than the M1, but I do love Yeah, I do have some PayPal. I have some PayPal over in my IRA. It's just a put spread though. I would look to add some over here, but I'm fully capitalized over there, and I do have a pretty big bet on MicroStrategies. I mean, MicroStrategies is a proxy on Bitcoin. But there are a lot of things going on in the stock market where I don't know if you're fully leveraged. I don't know if all your cash is in the stock market right now. If it is, you might want to scale back a little, have a little cash on the sidelines, because if there is a pullback, you can go bargain shopping. I know how it is though, man. Like, you can never have enough money. Right? Right now I'm trying to get that retirement money. I'm getting old. I'm still young, still kind of young, but I'm ready to retire. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's do a little recap here. I really hope to see you some more. Really appreciate you coming in. Like, subscribe, bell button. All right, let's wrap this up. I do have to get to work. The NASDAQ is up 150. NASDAQ strong like bull. Tesla up $25, pushing up towards 900 again. Are we going to hit that 900? Are we going to hit that 1,000? Is this just going to be So the hedge funds do start buying February 1st. So February could be bullish. I would start being concerned if this continues to blast off into the moon. We could see a pretty quick blow off top, and blow off tops end pretty ugly. So that's another reason to just kind of watch your deltas. Watch your size, watch your biotech size for sure. Like, Ash, do you wake up in the middle of the night worried about your pricing, worrying about, like if you're sleeping like a baby, then maybe your size is fine. But if it's waking you up, I stream every day, 6:25 a.m. PST, 5 minutes before the market opens. I stream 2:55 PST on Sunday for the futures open. I will not be streaming 2:55 PST Sunday for this futures open because homie's got to watch a Super Bowl. And then every now and then I'll pop in. I do want to start adding some night streams, so I'll probably start doing that shortly too. Yeah, come in, ask me questions, especially like if you want to learn options, futures, things like that. If you want to learn crypto, talk about this stuff all the time. Tell your friends. Yeah, so let's wrap this up really quick. I do got to get to work. Again, the NASDAQ, just strong like bull, keep going. Tesla, strong like bull. I think Tesla's going to hit 900 soon. Riot and Mara kind of letting me down. Why are they so flat? Is Bitcoin having a little pullback, a little chili dipper? What's going on? No, Bitcoin and Ethereum strong like mofo bull. Like, did these a-holes did these a-holes add more shares? Did they do another stock offering? They're killing me over there. Why are these negative now? Like, what the F, guys? You guys should be like up $1-2 right now. NNDM having a little bit of a pullback. NNDM's a great stock. Check that one out. It's a great stock. I like this one a lot. Only about 13 bucks right now. I mean, don't go crazy on it. I mean, it's had a bit of a pump, and this could easily pull back down below $10. But long term, I mean, I have 200 shares over this in my IRA. I love this stock. So I think that one has massive potential. IPR is a weed REIT recently. One of my viewers that's usually here got me into. I'm down a few shekels in that one. That's okay. Gold, man, this one's killing me. That one's going to come off as a loss, most likely. We're going to need a big, big gust of wind from the gods on that one. Neo's still coming down. I have been selling a lot of my Neo recently because I kind of expected this. I still, I'm still bullish Neo. I have 100 shares over that in my IRA, I think. Yeah, I still have 100 shares. I probably should have sold another covered call against that. Yeah, check out NNDM. Let's wrap it up real quick with the crypto. Again, start learning this crypto. There's a lot of opportunity over here. Just if crypto scares you, maybe do 3%, 5% type stuff. Just start easing yourself in. But I think there's going to be a lot of 3, 5, 7, 10, even some 100x's. I do think ADA is in that 100x potential. If they have the right news and the right events happening this year, we could see ADA at over $30 would be 100x. That would be tough. If ADA hits $30, I'm retiring for sure. You know what I'm saying? So Bitcoin's pushing on 35,000. I think we're gonna get a nice little continuation pump. ETH is having a nice pump. I think ETH is gonna push all-time highs and break through 1,500 a day, and then it's just a rocket ship to 2,000, 2,500, 3,000. I gotta look into this KNC. I might buy some of this. What was that at, like $1.42? Yes, it's down a penny. Maybe I should buy it now. And then ADA's kind of hovering around that 45 cents. I'm wondering where it's gonna find its new support. There for a while, Cardano kept bouncing between like 34 and 39, sell it at 39, buy it at 34. My boy Charles got on the mic yesterday. It had a little pump and it looks like it's finding a new support level. I think it might be right now, maybe it's between 40 and 45. We'll see. Although this one could continue, like if ETH and Bitcoin can beat, look at ETH pushing hard, 1440 right now. Go, 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 go. DOT's a little behind right now on the pump. It's only up 1.91%. This is another one I love, so maybe this one gets a little momentum going. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up. I will be back tomorrow, 6:25 a.m. PAST. Be there.